Welcome to this Baddy tutorial. This time we're gonna show you how to upgrade your Baddy firmware. We're gonna use Arduino IDE. So the first thing to do is to go to Arduino exactly as shown on screen. You go to the Arduino website and you download the version that fits with your operating system. So you got all the version available, whether you have a Mac or a Windows. This time we're gonna have a Windows. You can donate if you want to support the project. This time we're gonna just download the file. So this may take a while depending the connection you have. So once you got the file, you may open it and install. So agree with terms and conditions, select your folder and install. So once done, you shall as well install the add-on, which will enable you to directly connect your Baddy electronic board through USB, and you're ready to go. Now you need to fetch the Baddy v2 code on your GitHub. So just look up the Baddy Lab GitHub on Google, and this is what you will find: Baddy Makers Edition. So know that you are located here. You just have to clone or download a zip file. Alright, get your file. We're gonna put it on the desktop. Alright, now look at the inside of the folder, and you have to select the Baddy v2 Wi-Fi embedded code, this one. Now right now we are going to create a folder that has the same name of the code file. So we're just gonna copy the right name and create a new folder which has the same name of the code file, and put the code file inside the folder. That's to ease some stuff with using Arduino. Once you got the file moved in the folder, you just have to open it and now we need to configure the Arduino. So in order to make sure Arduino recognize our electronic board, we need to look up for ESP8266 with Arduino. There you go. You shall go to Arduino ESP8266 code documentation, click on Board Manager, take the following link, copy that, and you will paste it into the Arduino configuration interface. This is really to make sure that your Arduino IDE knows your ESP board. ESP is the standard which is used in the DIY community. So now that you've done this, you go to Tools, or Outils in French. You see that the board is not there, so you need to go to Board Manager, Gestionnaire de carte in French, and type ESP8266, and here is your board. You shall install. So it may take a while. Now it's over. So now you can select the new board. You need to select Node MCU 0.9 ESP12 module. So you got two icons on our Arduino on the left. You got a checkbox here. Click on this. That's for compiling your code. And here is the message you got. Well, it's just telling you that you are missing a library. So you go to Tools, in Gestion des bibliothèques, Library Manager in English, and you shall type ledcontrol.h. The version that is used by Baddy is a version from hat Falle, so you shall install it. It's not gonna take long. Right, it's done already. So once done, we are going to compile again. Let's go, and you shall have another error. It's telling you that your Arduino JSON library is not present, so you need to install it. Go to Tools, or Outils in French, Gestion des bibliothèques, Library Manager in English. And let's look up Arduino JSON. This is the library made by Benoît Blanchon. Arduino JSON, Benoît Blanchon. Yeah, this one. Yeah, don't take the beta version. You shall install a different version. Take a stable version of this one. Yeah, install. It's not gonna take long. Install already. Close the window. And you can go again for a compile. Let's see what's happening. Another error. Look at this. So you shall fetch the ESP async library, async TCP library. See, they have a GitHub. You shall download this library and directly install it in your Arduino folder, library folder. We're going to show you where this folder is located. No worry. So this library you shall install, and there's another one which will come after. Arduino libraries, and here is where you shall paste the folder of the library you just downloaded. Continue. It's going to copy the file. Right, go back to your Arduino IDE, recompile again. Okay. ESP async web server.h is another library you shall fetch on the GitHub. And you can download again. And copy the folder again in the Arduino library folder. Here you go. Compile again and see what happens. So it may take a while, but normally you may not have any errors anymore. And what you will be able to do is to upload code directly on your electronic board. So what you have to do is very simple. You take an Android cable, plug the USB on your laptop, and then plug the other side of the cable directly on your electronic board. There is a dedicated port, and then click on the button as shown. Thank you guys for listening. You're now able to update your Baddy firmware. It's gonna be the same procedure if you want to install any update or anything on your Baddy, whether it's for, as an example, motor configuration. And if you have questions, you can go to our social network like Facebook group or forum to ask your question to the community. We'll be glad to help. Cheers! See you soon!